Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a super useful trick in Google Sheets, how to automatically update month names using a simple formula. If you manage monthly reports, schedules, planners, or anything that needs the current month to always be right, this is one of those little workflow hacks you'll absolutely love. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get your sheet to show the current month automatically. No more manual updates, no chance of slipping behind. Let's get started. So imagine you have a column in your Google Sheet labeled month, and you wish it would just keep up with the calendar, update itself as time moves on. There's a built-in way to do this with a combination of functions, and I'll walk you through each part so it makes sense. First, let's click on the cell where you want the month to appear. This is usually under your month column. Now here, the magic formula you'll want to type in. Equals TEXT open parenthesis EOMONTH open parenthesis TODAY open and close parenthesis comma 0 close parenthesis comma and then in quotes MMMM then close your parentheses. Don't worry if that sounds long, let's break it down together so you know what's happening behind the scenes. So EOMONTH stands for end of month. It takes a date and then you can tell it how many months forward or back you're interested in. In this case, we want the end of the current month, so we're giving it the today function, meaning right now, today's date, and a 0 because we're not looking ahead or behind. Basically, EOMONTH today, 0, will hand us the very last day of this current month, automatically updating as days go by. But we don't really want the full date. We just want the month name right. That's where the text function comes in. By wrapping the EOMONTH formula inside text and using MMMM as the format, we tell Google Sheets, hey, just show me the full name of the month like June or August. The quadruple M, that's 4 M's in a row, is a formatting code that says, display the entire name, not just a number or abbreviation. After you've typed everything in, go ahead and press enter. You should immediately see the month name pop up in that cell. If you're watching this at the end of June, you'll see June, but as soon as July comes around, no worries, it'll switch to July with no extra work on your part. It's a great way to keep your sheets feeling alive, always in step with the real world. If you're managing charts, dashboards, or even simple lists, this little formula is a time saver. One tip, if you want every row to update, just drag that formula down your month column or copy and paste it. And don't worry if the formula feels intimidating at first. After you use it once or twice, it'll start to feel familiar, and you'll see just how powerful combining these functions can be for automating routine stuff. If you found this tip helpful, give this video a like. If you have any questions or want to see more time-saving Google Sheets tricks, drop a comment below. I read every one. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.